Hi, Pipeline admins. Thank you for joining me in account settings. Let's check out deals and won loss reasons. When you move a deal to either won or lost, your users will have the option to capture the reason why. This is helpful for reporting later because you can start to see trends like what's helping you win deals and maybe more importantly, what's causing you to lose them. From here, you can customize how these reasons are collected. By default, under both won reason and loss reason, the show reason and note details section when the deal is lost. So when your users win or lose a deal, the reason and the note will show up in the deal details. Also by default to show lost reason dialog or won reason dialog when the deal is changed to either won or lost. So your users will see a box pop up with the win or loss reason choices located below. And lastly, you can choose to have the won reason or the loss reason required. If you want to edit the won or loss reasons, you can do that here by clicking the pencil icon, making your change, clicking the green check mark, deleting the ones that don't resonate with your company, and you can add new here. Same with the won reasons.